This is poison ivy that is loaded with berries. Look closely here and see if you can see the berries. Yes, just look real close. I keep trying to focus. Yeah, there we go. Leaves of 3, let them be. Berries white, poisonous sight. So those will turn probably white later. Can't get it to focus. Come on, focus. Look up a little bit higher though. You can see them right up here against the background of the sky. Let's see if it'll focus. Yeah, you can see the berries real nice right there. Poison ivy berries. There's your answer. What do poison ivy berries look like? Kind of hard to see, isn't it?